Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to ARMS online classes. I am Mansoor Ahmed. Students, in previous lecture, we have talked about the episode of astrologer of the Tiger King. Today, I have brought a new topic of Tiger King, is the crown episode. The crown episode. First of all, I am going to tell you about something it. A British officer visited to Parthibanpuram. Okay, high-ranked British officer visited to Parthibanpuram. He was fond of to hunting the tigers. So he desired to hunt a tiger in Parthibanpuram. But he was refused by Diwan. And Diwan said that only the Tiger King or Jilani Jangjang Bahadur could kill the tiger in Parthibanpuram. Then he became some annoyed and then he again requested that Jilani Jangjang Bahadur may kill the tiger, but I only wanted to take a capture photo on the dead tiger with a gun. But again he was refused. Then the British officer became angry and went away. British officer became angry and went away. So the Tiger King worried about his kingdom. The Tiger King worried about his kingdom. Thus, the crown of Tiger King fell into danger. When the British officer became angry, and at that time the crown of the Tiger King fell into danger. Now, our next question is, how did he save it? How did he save? He means the Tiger King. Save it. It means it is stand for crown. Okay. When the Tiger King fell, that his crown is in danger, he sent for 50 diamond rings. How much? 50 diamond rings brought from Kolkata. 50 diamond rings brought from Kolkata. Price 3 lakhs. Okay, students. The price of 50 diamond rings was 3 lakhs. Okay. Then these diamond rings were sent to the wife of British officer. To whom? To the wife of British officer. To receive this precious gift, the wife of British officer became happy and she kept all 50 diamond rings and conveyed thanks to the Tiger King. Thus, the Tiger King saved his kingdom. Okay, students, today we have two questions. First of all, crown of Tiger King fell into danger when British officer became angry and the crown of Tiger King fell into danger. Okay, and how he saved it? He sent 50 diamond rings to the wife of British officer, and the price of these diamond rings were 3 lakhs, and thus he saved his kingdom. Okay, students, in further class, we will see the next topic of the Tiger King. Thanks for listening me. Subscribe our YouTube channel.